look out for flat farmlands which are easy to cultivate and take care of, which is close to my current farm already, so that visiting and inspecting the property should be relatively easy because of the distance. The land is nice. This was supposed to be a subdivision before, which means everything's cleared. No more coconuts, no more trees that are endemic that need DNR to give approval. We can work with the trees on site already and then just put bamboo. It's actually super exciting. We're gonna need to fence everything for sure, and then guardhouse, and then rainwater collection area. Sunrise is over here, sunset is over there. Gonna be perfect, epic. Whew. It's so hot. We are done looking at the property, and yep, they need to include the other frontage, because if we're going to do a processing plant for the bamboo farm, then definitely we do need a place where the trucks will pass by, and that has to be included. If not, this whole land is a deal breaker. Good luck to us. I hope this happens. Farming is the way. Welcome to the interior of the 2022 Land Cruiser LC300. The interior layout looks really good. I'll go over a lot of detail later, but for now, let's go for a drive. Put it down to drive, and let's stroll. Today we are going to be continuing our vlog on the Santa Cruz Farm project that we initially thought was an interesting place for the bamboo farm. And just to update you guys that we finally closed the deal. The lot is ours, and we're on the way down now to meet with Mikey and the team so that we can plan the fencing. And they already started digging because the bamboo trees that we ordered are already on the way. And I think this weekend I'm not going to be there, sadly. The bamboos are going to be delivered already. So the bamboos were actually cultured and cloned in Mindanao, and it takes a few months to actually order them. But since we had time, I actually pre-ordered, I think, way in advance, because we're not done fencing yet. And we're going to be planting bamboos, hoping that the cows in the surrounding areas don't eat the bamboo leaves, because bamboo is a grass, so they do love the taste of the bamboo leaves. But yeah, just to update you guys with what's happening to the bamboo project. We got our weather cleared up, and Waze says we are about 5 minutes out. So the nice thing with this location that we found, it's a relatively flat area, which means we actually don't have to clear that many trees, and it just makes it easier for us to plant the bamboo already. The other project that I am doing for the bamboo farm, which is my old hotel in Pagsanhan, has been a nightmare because of the red tape that goes along with cutting really old trees. So I'm thinking that the property starts somewhere here. Obviously not this fenced area, we're still going to fence my area, but we're almost there. What's up, Mikes?
Hi, ma'am. Kaya hinuhukay to ng mga tao. May hina pala to ng buhangin sa ilalim. Na pang construction.
Ayan, nabaon dati?
Hindi, ma'am, kasi parang malapit daw to sa ilog dati nung araw.
Kaya madaming buhangin.
Oo, kaya marami.
We're now walking the property to check out some of the areas. Nice thing with this property is super flat already. Some dump sites for garbage, terrible. We're gonna try to clean all this out. Now headed back to the farm. It was a very warm walk. It's so funny, when we went down it was raining, it was cold, and then within like 20-30 minutes it just got super hot. It's roughly about 10 hectares, and I'm super excited to get this project going because it's been such a dream of mine to put up this bamboo plantation. We were actually doing our research. If on the 4th year of production, the 10-hectare property would have captured around 108 cars on average in terms of emission, or one 747 jet, and after that every year it's going to be the same. So this is sort of my way of giving back for my love for cars and emitting carbon into the atmosphere. This is sort of like, I guess, being carbon neutral in a way that it's absorbing carbon from hopefully the other businesses that I'm operating, just trying to balance everything and offset. So hopefully within the next week we can add some videos of us planting the bamboos, and then after that we're going to have to wait for 3 years before we revisit this project again. So on the third year we will start doing the manufacturing process, which means importing stuff from China so that we can basically prepare ourselves to do manufacturing and processing to make sort of like our targets are all basic necessities, so tissues, obviously bamboo poles, bamboo shoots, and then if we can get into fabric, which is sort of eco-friendly and sustainable, because some of the bamboo fabric manufacturing process still involves a lot of toxic chemicals, which I don't want to get into. Hoping in the next few years there'll be some more technology breakthroughs. We can also make bamboo paper and then other bamboo products. Obviously the more common bamboo products would be like chopsticks, toothpicks, but I don't want to get into that market because there are a lot of players already in that market. We want to make sure when we get into this industry that we are supporting and doing other things that are not yet seen on the market, so that we can be different and obviously be creative with our marketing position. I'm guessing this is the last update for this vlog about the Santa Cruz farm. I'm headed down again to double check everything. They started planting the bamboo poles already, and we're starting to build the perimeter wall. Now, over the next how many months, obviously we're going to monitor the growth of the bamboos, but for now this is going to be the last update. We're basically finishing all the planting, and then I've ordered a water truck to help water everything in the property so that the bamboo grows much faster. Remember, the bamboo is a grass, it's not really a tree, so it actually needs water in the beginning to take on faster, so that after a few years, I think after 2 years, you actually don't need to water it anymore. But obviously the more water any grass gets, the faster and greener it grows, so we're going to try to water as much as possible. For now, our main objective is to make sure to take care of the bamboos by watering them, putting some mulch on the ground so that the ground cover doesn't dry. It's been really hot, but sometimes it's been raining, so which is good. I don't understand this weather. It's supposed to be summer right now, which is scorching hot, but instead we have occasional rain showers. So again, which is fairly good for the grass and the bamboo. But the team's very excited. They've been at this for a few weeks now. I've been missing because I've been doing some city activities, but now I'm headed down to the Santa Cruz farm, and I'm so excited to see it. This is a dream come true. The first property that I wanted to do this to is actually still not moving. I actually don't know what's happening with that. So this vlog might post first before the first vlog that I did will post. It's kind of weird. So the timeline's gonna be off, but you're gonna see the history of how I got into this, and then now you're gonna see the actual farm that's functioning already. So I brought the drone out. Hopefully we can get some drone shots and really show you guys the whole area. So I'll try to bring the SUV in, and some cows walking. So welcome to the property. Rather than walk through the small gate, we're gonna bring the Land Cruiser in. There's my guy Wilson. Okay, moving. So just for show, I'm not gonna claim that I planted any of the bamboo poles, but I will plant one for the video. My guys have already planted a lot, and I just want to feel like I wanted to contribute one plantation. I will try to come back sometime this week to help plant some more.
Okay lang po yun. Kasi pag gumagat na po yung wawasakin na po yun.
Kahit tabi nga.
Oo, tatayo na.
Para magtanim lahat.
Lahat na po kasi ng butas to.
So ubusin niyo muna yung mga butas. The sun is still glaring, but it's nice and windy in this location. I planted one bamboo tree. Now my staff said they planted about 1,000 already, and it's going to take us another probably month to finish planting all these 6,000 poles. We did have to buy another auger because they did burn the auger, and we are seeing some cows crossing the property. I'm gonna fly the drone now and see if the cows are eating some of the bamboo, because I need to scare them away, because they're going to eat the bamboo leaves. They love this stuff. Even our horses love eating the bamboo. But for now, I'm probably gonna end the vlog here so that I can share you guys already this project. I'm super excited to really just showcase this bamboo farm, and hopefully in the next few years we're lucky enough to grow some really amazing bamboos. Now, for now, let's fly the drone and get an aerial shot of all the plantation so far. And then as you can see, even in this property, there are a lot of garbage already. So sad. I was explaining to the people how they would dump the garbage in those pits, and if it rains, the garbage gets washed down, it filters the water, it dirties the water supply, and then they have those pumps, like shallow well pumps, that basically get all the contaminated water. Here's the explanation from the asper. The asper is 7 meters, and then from the middle is the tulda. The tulda is the smaller, faster growing bamboo. The asper is the slower but bigger growing bamboo. And then down the line, this is going to grow in a weird pattern, so we're gonna need to figure out how to clean the middle. But the truck that I bought hopefully will be able to water this whole section. So over the next few months, we're going to update you guys with what's happening here, but for now we're going to end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. I know it's been sporadic, and I guess the timeline's been weird, but it has been a work in progress. Farming can't be rushed. Farming is all about patience and waiting for nature to take its place. So for now, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and then this project of mine. Hopefully in the next 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year we can do some update and show you guys the growth of the bamboos, and then hopefully in the next 3 years we can set up the manufacturing processing plant somewhere here. But for now, one of our main problems is the cows, and I guess also the people and traffic going through. In the last 5 to 10 minutes that I've been here, I've already seen jeepneys, tricycles, kids playing, and then bicycles, and then dogs and other like people crossing. They're so used to crossing, and I'm hoping that no one will get mad when we fence off everything. Anyway, I'll see you guys again in the next vlog. Peace.